to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I'm reviewing this gorgeous piece of work, okay? Gorgeous. We're working with a RECOOL today. They sent me over this 22-inch 5x5 closure wig. It has the burgundy highlights in it. And it's giving everything. It's giving everything. Yes, so if you guys want to see me install this, please continue to watch. Also, just a little bit of details on their company. They do have the option to do the quad pay on PayPal, and also they offer Afterpay as well. So if you try to put you a wig on layaway, boo, you can put you one on layaway, girl. Yes. It's so freaking cute though. This hair is so gorgeous. Honestly, it's definitely speaking for itself. I don't have to even say much because look at her. Look at her. What? Hi. Hi. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram so you can get all the deets. Follow me on Instagram so you can see all my wigs before I even post them on YouTube, because I usually do a video like a reel or something on Instagram first. So make sure you guys go to Instagram and follow me on Instagram so you can get all the tea before it even gets to YouTube, okay? All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so we are working with RECOOL today. I have worked with them before, but they sent me a cute little number today. So let's go ahead and get into this. So on the box, it does say right here, it is a 22-incher. I really love this cute, like vibrant pink box. And this is their social media handles right here. But yes, let's go ahead and get into this beauty butt. So when you first open it, it looks like this. It does have the details right there on the side. It says it's a 22-inch body wave, 5x5 lace front, lace front wig, 180% density. Love that. You do get a card with more social media stuff. 100% human hair. You get a baggie full of goodies, and you also want to use these drawstring bags to store your wigs, okay? After you take them off, just put them in these little satin bags to protect your wig and just to ensure the longevity of your wig. Just take care of it. But let's see what's in here, because it looks like it's a lot of stuff. So first thing is you get a cute little headband, some lashes, these look good, a purple bonnet, oh yes, it's giving royalty, absolutely, a rat tail comb, baby hair brush. I'm so glad that these are coming with every wig now, because these are vital. Yes, definitely using this today. Put the wig caps, of course. 2 clips. I freaking love these. You know what these are. These are the best. I love that when I'm like sectioning off my wig and stuff. And lastly, you get some bobby pins. Also, I don't know if y'all know, but they do take PayPal. You can do the quad pay with them on PayPal, and also Afterpay. So here is the wig. Doesn't she look beautiful? Let me take all this stuff off real quick. Okay, let me show you guys the edges real quick so you can see that it is pre-plucked. And this 5x5 is that is a lot. That is a lot. I love that. But yes, it does look pre-plucked. I may go in and pluck a little bit, but honestly, I probably do not even need to, because look how good that looks. That's beautiful. All right, so it does come with a elastic band that does adjust, like right there. It does have a fork. Oh nope, it has 3 combs, left, right at the bottom, and then also of course your adjustable straps there. Look at all this parting space, you guys, in this 5x5. Look at all that. You could do a real side part, middle part, curve part, like any type of parting that you want. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. And then let's just get into the highlights though. Beautiful. It feels so soft. It's 180% density, so it is definitely giving full. Look at the ends. The ends look very, very good. Ew, I got a bruise right here. I don't know why it's there or what happened. It looks like I got snatched up, but I swear I didn't. I must have ran into something or something, but it is. But yes, how freaking cute is this? Look at the color. Look at the color on here. I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so I am going to, okay, so number one, let's just talk about, this is a 5x5. So this install is gonna be super quick. I think I'm gonna do a side part, but real quick, I'm gonna put some foundation on the parting. I'm gonna put some foundation on the lace, and then I'm gonna come back and you guys can see what else I do. Okay, whatever I decide to do. I don't even know, I'm torn, but I really, really love this color. It's kind of giving like, I know it says burgundy, but I don't know, it's almost giving like fuchsia pink almost. In some angles, if the light is on it really well, it kind of looks like fuchsia pink. Are you getting that? I don't know. Either way, it looks super cute, and I've never done a color like this vibrant before. So let's go ahead and get started. right, you guys, so I'm done styling the wig. This is how it came out. I put some little curls in. This is like I think this is like a 1.5 inch barrel curling iron. I just used that, and I did do like a little layer on the bang. And yes, I think it looks so good. The hair has so much like body and movement. As you can see, this hair is so freaking gorgeous. And again, you can use the quad pay on PayPal, and you can also use Afterpay for this wig, which I think is super, super convenient, especially if you don't want to pay the whole thing at once. Installments, layaway, yes, okay. But yes, the lace came out really nice. I love that. All I did was put foundation on the lace and then some on the parting here, and then 2 little baby hairs. And that is it. And I think it came out so freaking good. This hair is so beautiful. This hair is giving quality. Quality, baby. Quality, baby. Okay? Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. And these highlights, give me more, give me more. I freaking love it. Okay, make sure you guys check out the description box with all the details on this wig. Again, it is a 5x5 closure wig. It's a highlighted burgundy 22 inch, 180% density. It does come in body wave, and then I did put some curls in it. But yes, the direct link will be in the description box below. I'm sure there will be a discount code in there as well. Make sure you guys check that out. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. You better get you one of these. See you next video.